Hello everyone, in this short video lesson I'm going to show you how to purchase the NECO Result token. Remember, without the NECO Result token you cannot be able to check your newly released results, NECO released result. But before I proceed, I want you to kindly hit this red button, the subscribe button, before leaving this page. Once you do that, you'll be able to always get instant updates on all exams and videos, especially mathematics videos that will help you in all your exams. Now, if you have done that, I want you to now look at this video. We're going to look at how you can purchase the NECO token. Now, before you purchase the NECO token, you must have registered on the NECO portal. And to do that, we have a post here right in the description section of this video. Read that post to see how you can register on NECO portal. And once you have done that, the next thing you need to do is to go straight to NECO website. NECO website that you go straight to is the one that has to do with what? With login. And once you click on this website, it will take you to this NECO page. Now you can find out that NECO has announced it since on the 28th of February 2022 that the result has been released. Now, to check your result, all you need to do to buy the token, all you need to do is to come this way, put in your email address, the one that verification was sent to when you registered. And once you do that, insert in the password and click what? Register. Immediately you do that, what will happen? Once you do that, you'll be taken to a page where you'll be required to do what? To buy the token. So once you do that, the next step, once you click login, the next step is for you to look for on that web page where you will see purchase token. Now, once you see purchase token, you have to do what? You have to just click on that purchase token. And remember, if you buy one token, you can only use it to check just one result. So you'll be asked to indicate the number of tokens you want to buy. If you want to check 4 results, then you need to buy 4 tokens, and one token will cost you 500 naira plus the 50 naira service charge which the internet provider will charge from you. Now, once you click purchase token, you'll be redirected to a Remita platform, and with that Remita platform you can be able to pay straight into NECO's account, consolidated account, either using your bank or your card. You pay 520 naira, and once you pay that 520 naira, the token, which is the 12-digit number, will be displayed to you. All you need to do is to copy that 12-digit number. Now you will be very much ready to do what? To check your NECO result. In conclusion, I do hope that you value this video, and this video is of great benefit to you. I want you to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for updates and tutorial videos. I will always see you in our academic classes. I want you to check the description section of this video to make sure that you get all the required link, especially to our online classes that can help you increase your knowledge, especially in mathematics. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and also to share this video.